Hey, this is Randy from Sourcing Linx. We help you to amplify your business with brand awareness. If you are new to this channel, make sure you click the subscribe button below. In this way, you do not miss similar videos in the future. You can find all the links to everything I mentioned in this video. Okay, let's jump into it. Now, I'm gonna share with you how I created this logo for my wife's artificial flower business. On these images you will see how I added that logo onto Facebook page, Instagram and the website. It looks professional and perfectly fits on all platforms. Not only that, but also, everything was done totally free. First, you need to sign up to Canva, if you have not already done so. If you have an account, you need to log into it. Here, if you want to use all the features and elements in Canva, you need to sign up with your credit card information. But the good news is, they don't charge any fee up front, and you can cancel your subscription anytime, within first 30 days. They even send reminders, before expiring first 30-day trial period. As we mentioned at the beginning, you will not be charged any fee for this. Now, we will start making the logo. First, go to Google and search for canva.com and log into it. If you have not signed up yet, please do so. I have added a link to canva.com, under the description below. Once you are signed in, go to Create a Design on top right-hand corner. From the drop-down menu, select the logo. Now, if you want to use a template, you can choose one from the templates on the left menu. Otherwise, you can create one from scratch. On this logo, I am going to create my own design, but I will use Canva images, fonts and other elements. Once your design is completed, you can download your project. It is good to download high-resolution PNG file and transparent PNG file, as you can use them on your website, Facebook and Instagram pages, so on. Thank you for watching. If you were happy with this video, give us thumbs up and consider subscribe to our channel, so that you will not miss similar videos in the future.